Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Oak AI Story Lab, Lesson 8. Reference images are memory. Now, today I want to share one of the biggest discoveries I've made while creating multi-scene AI movies. And I will try to put a prompt in here to show you some of the latest prompts that I've been using and how they're worded, just so you can kind of understand what's going on. But it's not really about prompts. What it is about understanding what's happening. And it's very simple. Reference images are memory. When I first started making AI movies, I treated every prompt as a brand new creation. For every clip, I would describe the character again, the forest again, the lighting again, the atmosphere again, the horse again, everything. I thought I was helping the AI. I wasn't. I was accidentally asking it to rebuild the entire world over and over and over again. Then something changed. While creating a 3-beat Gothic scene, we began using the final frame of each clip as the reference image for the next clip. Instead of going back to the original still every time, we simply continued from where the previous clip ended. What I'm talking about is I took the last frame and out of the clip and made that into a reference. Now, if you're actually having a scene change, there's no need to do that. But if you want something to be continued, you can kind of do that. That's what we were trying to do. Suddenly, everything became easier. The character stayed consistent. The environment stayed consistent. The camera movement felt natural. The emotional flow became smoother. That's when I realized something. The reference image wasn't just another picture. It had become the AI's memory of the scene. The world already existed. The AI didn't need me to describe it again. It needed me to trust it. That led to a completely different way of prompting. Instead of saying, here's the forest, here's the chapel, here's the horse, here's the mist, I began saying, continue from the reference frame. Then I described only what changed. She reaches toward the horse. The horse lowers its head. The camera slowly moves closer. The wind grows stronger. Everything else already existed. Nothing needed rebuilding. This became the foundation of what I now call the Sparks Continuity Protocol.
These roots run deep. I have to keep moving. The trail is getting harder to follow.
The wind changed.
Yeah.
The storm's getting closer.
the reference frame is the established reality. Everything that follows is animation. When you think this way, you're no longer asking the AI to invent a new movie every 10 seconds. You're directing a living world that already exists. The forest remembers. The characters remember. The camera remembers. And your prompts become simple, clearer, and far more cinematic. Here's the lesson I'd like you to remember. When you're creating the first clip, build the world. When you're creating the second clip, trust the world. Your job is no longer to invent reality. Your job is to let reality continue breathing. I'll see you in the next lesson. In the meantime, I'm going to try to put this lesson together, put some good stuff in it to kind of explain what we've been talking about. Till next time, guys, thank you. Bye.